Stanley.
For our project, we chose Star Topology, and Star Topology is pretty much a network topology commonly utilized in homes and office settings. It consists of a central computer or hub, which functions as a common point that transmits messages to connected nodes, and nodes are connected directly to the central hub, with the latter managing all functions of the network.
Okay. The advantages of Star Topology is that it is easy to detect and remove faulty parts. Also, it is suitable for larger networks because it is easy to expand. And Star Topology data transmission is rapid and safe because of direct connection. Also, in Star Topology, there's isolation of devices, which prevents non-centralized failure from affecting network. The disadvantages of Star Topology is that it is more expensive than linear topology because more networking requires more cable length. And if the central fails, which is the central hub, the whole network fails. Also, if the server is slow, the entire network is slow, meaning the performance of the network depends on the performance of the hub. Also, because if one node takes up all the processing capability, meaning one of the nodes, if it's using P2P, it will affect the other nodes. The performance of the other nodes depends on will be affected if one node takes up all the processing capability. And go.
Standards and protocols and stars. Standards and protocols regulate the characteristics such as access method, types of cabling, and speed of the data transfer. A couple examples for the protocols are Ethernet, fast Ethernet, local talk, token ring, and asynchronous transfer mode. The devices in Star Network. A couple of devices in the Star Network are repeaters, which amplify the signal, a router for translating the data from one info to another, and which is also responsible for directing information traffic. Another one is hubs, which send the information along different pathways, and finally the nodes, which use NIC cards to communicate with the router.
To operate any network, software is always needed. Since Star Topology are commonly used networks in homes and businesses, most computers come with a basic software to connect to one. The software will be used to choose a specific network out of the available choices. In most Windows PCs, the Network and Sharing Center is where you can configure your protocols to link your computer. Security key may also be necessary. In Apple computers, they use Airport. Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari are just simple browsers to use for you to search the internet.
So basically, the hardware needed to operate a Star Topology, first of all, you need a computer with a NIC card that can connect to the network. Basically, you need a medium for that computer to connect to other hardware on that network. So you would use either UTP or a fiber optic cord to connect to either a router, a hub, or a repeater. Basically, a router is a super intelligent hub that can direct traffic and send it places that'll get fastest, and it can prevent collisions from happening. Hubs basically just direct traffic and send them where they need to go, and a repeater simply amplifies the signal because UTP wire can only go as far as 100 meters.